What if I told you that you could start building wealth today? With just $100 and zero investing experience, it's true. You don't need a finance degree or thousands of dollars to get started. Stick around, because in this video, I will walk you through 5 simple steps to start investing today, if you have never invested a single dollar before. Step 1. Shift your mindset about investing. The biggest mistake beginners make is believing investing is only for the rich. But the truth is, starting small is how you build real wealth over time. Think about it. Even legendary investors like Warren Buffett started small. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. That is when your money starts earning money on itself. Example: investing $100 now at an average 8% return could grow to over $1,000 in 30 years without adding another cent. And if you keep adding even small amounts every month, it grows even faster. But here's the catch. If you wait until you feel ready or have more money, you lose precious time. Step 2. Choose the right platform next. You need a safe and easy place to invest your $100. Here are a few beginner-friendly options. Brokerage apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront, which automatically invest for you. Micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash, which let you start with spare change. Look for platforms with no or low minimum deposits. Low fees because high fees eat into your returns. An easy-to-use interface. Setting up an account usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. You'll link your bank account, answer a few questions about your goals, and you're ready to invest. Let's move to the next step. Step 3. Pick simple investments. Don't overthink it. Here is where most beginners get stuck. They think they need to pick individual stocks or predict the next big thing. You don't. In fact, picking individual stocks can be risky, especially when you're new. Instead, go with diversified options like index funds. These track the overall stock market, like the S&P 500, ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Similar to index funds, but you can buy them like stocks. Target date funds, great for long-term goals like retirement. Example: you could put your $100 into an S&P 500 ETF that one investment gives you exposure to 500 of the biggest U.S. companies. This way, even if one company struggles, your investment is spread out and safer. But here's the catch. Don't chase hot stocks or tips from social media. Focus on simple, proven options that grow steadily over time. Step 4. Automate your contributions. Investing $100 once is great, but the real magic happens when you invest consistently. Even adding $25 or $50 every month can have a huge impact. This is called dollar cost averaging you by small amounts regularly, which reduces risk and takes the emotion out of investing. Here's an example. If you invest $50 a month at an average 8% return, you'll have over $7,000 in 10 years in. That's just from small, consistent contributions. Most apps let you set up automatic transfers. This way, you invest without even thinking about it, like a bill you pay to your future self. But here's the catch. If you try to time the market or wait for the perfect moment, you'll probably miss out. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Step 5. Stay patient and keep learning. This step is the hardest and the most important. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The market will go up and down. Some months your balance may even drop. That's normal. The key is to stay patient and stick to your plan. History shows that the stock market has always recovered and grown over the long term. Pro tips. Reinvest your dividends. This accelerates your growth. Don't panic sell when the market dips. That locks in losses. Keep learning. Watch videos, read articles, and follow reputable finance channels. Think of investing like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You water it, give it time, and let compound growth do the work. But here's the catch. If you pull your money out too early or chase trends, you'll miss out on long-term gains. Starting with just $100 is more powerful than you think. It's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. If this video gave you the confidence to start investing today, hit that like button. And subscribe for more smart money tips, because small steps today can create massive financial freedom tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.